Good evening, you're watching Amuseaholics and we're back at Knott's Farm again after a short break.
Not Scary Farm.
Yes, Knott's Scary Farm.
Hopefully it is scary though.
I'm sure it will be. So we've seen a lot of the decorations during the day and yeah, they're looking really nice. We've got good old skelly bones behind us here,
Yes.
up in the tree. And yeah, it's looking like it's going to be a really nice event.
Yeah.
We started off our evening with the buffet, which is a buffet meal. You get a refillable drinks cup with that, and also you then get early entry into the event. You get in at 6:30 rather than 7, and there's no queuing either, so that's always really positive. And we just thought that's going to really help us get the mazes done because we've only got one evening here, haven't we?
Yeah.
So yeah, there's so much to see at Knott's Scary Farm. There's 10 mazes,
5 scare zones,
5 scare zones, shows, scare actors around. It's going to be absolutely fantastic.
Full on evening, yeah.
Yeah, and it's on till at least 1 AM, so it's going to be wild. And this is on a Sunday.
Yeah.
So yeah, no, we're really looking forward to getting in, doing this event for the very first time. We love our horror attractions, don't we?
Yeah, can't wait.
So yeah, we're going to head in now and get ourselves ready for the grand opening for our early entry into Knott's Scary Farm.
Woohoo! Yeah, let's go.
A couple of people still enjoying their buffet. They've got the scare actors out, entertaining at the tables. It's a great experience. If you're considering doing Knott's Scary Farm, we do recommend the buffet. It's good fun.
And so I offer but a glimpse of your deepest fears. Welcome to Knott's Scary Farm.
So we're heading towards the back. And towards 8 Fingers 9. Imagine all these crazy creepy houses that come out of nowhere backstage. Just waiting in the queue now. Things are just about to kick off. And even backstage here, there's plenty of creepy things to see. Here we are, heading into the entrance now, 8 Fingers 9. We're going to put the camera away now, but we'll let you know what we thought when we come out. So, just come out, it was absolutely brilliant, great first impression. Making our way around now to Widows. The other new maze for this year. Absolutely brilliant. Look at that spider on the house. That is just creepy, man. Absolutely dead creepy. Sunset Rise nursing home. Some really good animatronics, some really good set pieces here. Making our way in now. Wish us luck. My word, these mazes are good, aren't they, Haley? Yeah, really enjoying them so far. We'll talk about them in a bit more detail a little bit later on. But yeah, so far, the experience has been crazy. Good, very good. Making our way to Bloodline now. Sun's going down, the atmosphere's getting creepier by the minute. Here we go. Entering Bloodline. Wish us luck. I'm on our way past where we came in. Now we're heading towards the next maze. Waxworks. So over to the left is an entrance to the Legacy store. And now we're approaching the Waxworks. Again, fantastic set piece just outside. And then round the back now to the Legacy store. Here we are. Back in the Legacy store. And what's really bizarre is I don't actually remember this. Lots of glow-in-the-dark tops. Tons of creepy merch. It's so cool. Lots of Elvira merchandise. The Mistress of the Dark. So one of the things we haven't talked about yet is this scary lantern that we got. This is an interactive piece of kit. Allows you to unlock extra effects and seems to prompt a reaction from the actors as well. You can purchase them in this store and many of the other stores at Nut-Free. They're $39.99 plus tax. No, that's quite expensive for a plastic lantern. They do seem to be paying off.
Every summer's end, the dead shall crawl from Boot Hill. The quench for human blood you shan't fulfill. Spirits, fiends, ghosts and ghouls swarm round. I banish you to rot in hell underground!
Tree decorations. Oh yeah.
Well, it does something I like, doesn't it?
Looks good.
Very nice, isn't it, tree?
Yeah, that's a nice decoration.
$12.99.
Okay.
Heavy.
That's pretty good. I mean, the Legacy shop is basically an attraction in itself.
Yeah,
Really impressive stuff.
I saw two in there.
And you can actually visit this at certain parts of the day without even buying admission. We got some cute things as well. Cuddly plague doctors and skeletons. Just the lighting's fantastic. Not Scare Farm, where nightmares never end. Creepy. Into the Twisted Circus we go. So much stuff in here. It's great in here, isn't it, Kayla? Well, we enjoyed our time in the shop. Unfortunately, we've got to get past this little critter to get out. Whew. Oh dear, he's left a few webs behind him. Just a couple. Worst nightmare if you're afraid of spiders. The sun has set, and now the lights are really starting to have an effect here at Not Scary Farm. very daunting. As we head back towards the ghost town streets. Into the streets of Ghost Town. Scary stuff. This looks awesome, but just a scare zone, not even a maze. Oh my god, we can't see at all. Woo! That's a great little scare zone. The atmosphere, how much has it changed? Creepy. I mean, we were here during the day and it's not even recognisable. The ghost town has become just that. Far less living people and far more dead roaming the streets. It's what you want from a scare event. Making our way through Ghost Town. Found our way to Origins. Gonna enter through the graveyard or past the graveyard. Passing by the graveyard. Looking even more eerie at night. Oh, even flashes of lightning. Here we go. Oh, the lanterns turn green, in sync with the green tree. Woo. So we've made our way over to Grimoire.
Again, you're inside the Grimoire. Enjoy your time inside.
Here we go. The Grimoire. So we've made it over to the Birdcage Theatre, home of the Conjuring show today. Due to start in about 20 minutes or so. So we're going to head in now, or at least get our spot in the queue. Here we are in the Birdcage Theatre.
Welcome International Magic Champion, Brian O'Shea. How you doing? One last little thing here. Let me see what we got. You asked for it, here we go. I'm going to have a scarf, which I'm going to show you. Then I'm going to place the scarf into my fist, like so. Then, as I do this, I'm going to make a magical pass. You go, ma'am, what is your name? Tina. Tina. No, I'm going to make a magical pass over my hand. Then I'm going to reveal an egg. The scarf has a... Please, hold your applause. I see that you did. The scarf has magically traveled up my arm, over the carpet rug, and down into the other pocket. I told you it was silly, but you want to know the secret. You want to know how this is done, don't you? I'm going to explain this. Yes? You want me to teach it to you? All right. Then you can go home. You can blow the minds of young children and slow-witted adults. The secret is that you don't need one handkerchief. You need two and a fake egg. Like Marshall Brodeen, magic is easy when you know the secret. That was from my friend Johnny Ace Palmer. All right, here we go. Teach it to you very simply. The first thing you need to do is get yourself a fake egg. Now this one was laid by a decoy. You can also get an egg, hollow it out, dump the contents out. Kids, don't do this at home. Do it at the neighbor's. You're going to place the egg inside of your hand. It's very important not to arouse suspicion, therefore your hands should look relatively similar. Wave the scarf, placing it inside of your fake egg, while at the same time explaining that you're simply putting it into your hand, into your fist. You get it in there really good, snap your fingers, wave the shadow of your hand, and then of course you reveal the eggs. With me so far? Easy, right? Now, there's a couple things to remember when you're doing this trick. Number one, never, under any circumstances, should you show this side of the egg. That makes sense, sir? Also, make sure that the scarf that you take here from your pocket is the same color as the one on your fake egg. I did this once for Christmas with a red and a green handkerchief, and everybody was like... Now, every now and then, you're going to hear somebody from the crowd, like Henry, say, "It's a fake egg!"
It's a fake egg!
Totally felt that. That's called the magician in trouble. If that happens, here's what you do. You snap your fingers, you cast the shadow of your hand across the egg. Then, very carefully, peel off your hole. Take the egg and crack it into the glass.
Get some! Opposite the pizzeria is the next maze. Room 13. Here we go. Come out back on the streets of Knoxbury. Into the mist. Where the ghouls are roaming. Well, heading down the transformed boardwalk. Hang time. Looked completely blue in the day. It's now a fiery red. Circus of Horrors. Fast approaching cinema slasher. That little mascot up there, or should I say big mascot, is pretty freaky. Well, hang times become musical. Splash into the music, looks pretty crazy. Just next to the accelerator ride entrance is the next maze, Mesmer.
Maybe it is.
But merely the beginning.
Making our way down.
Man believes that one could honor the cause
Found our way to Mesmer.
by placing a thorn.
Looks like a circus inspired one.
Hello, my darling. Are you ready to die yet?
I'm ready.
Yay! Quickly play this one.
Here we go. And ourselves entering another spooky zone. Big dark one. See some ghouls in the mist though. Now over by the Sienna Sidewinder, we found the final maze, the Chilling Chambers. Here we go, into the Chilling Chambers.
We welcome you tonight as we pull back the canvas flap and wickedly present to you Le Magnifique Carnival du Grotesque!
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, tonight, for your entertainment pleasure, I present to you a spectacular night of terror and delight.
I see dead people.
To be amazed by a spectacle so brilliant, it will forever be burned into your memory. I give you the enchantress of the flame, Tiana and her burning desire! Oopsie Daisy, what have you done? What is this? Thaddeus! What did you do? You used my axe to give him a new body! Get up! Get up! All right, down, get up! Get up! You don't know what you've done, Oopsie Daisy.
Well, what an evening we've had here at Knott's Berry Farm.
Not scary farm.
Not scary farm, but it is scary. Yeah, absolutely fantastic. Every single maze was incredibly well detailed. Had plenty of people in there. Set
Animatronics.
Yeah, great animatronics, great set pieces, you know, effects, sound, all sorts of things going on.
Yeah.
Absolutely brilliant. Like any horror attraction, some were better than others. I think Widow and Eight Fingers 9, the Boogeyman, have most honourable mention.
Yeah.
We did have a lot more fun than we were expected to have in Mesmer as well, didn't we?
I really enjoyed Mesmer. The effects in there are really cool, actually.
Yeah, it's a bit different. It's a bit like a fun house gone wrong, and it was a bit different from the others. A lot of people say that that's not one of their favourites, but actually I think we got lucky because it was very quiet as well.
And to be fair, we've never experienced them before, so maybe it was been here for a while and it's one of them things that people are used to.
Yeah, I think that's usually the case. I think when you do a maze a second time, even if it's like a year later, you do tend to have a different feeling towards it, even if it's subconscious. So I think that may be influencing people quite a bit. But you know, we've had a fresh set of eyes, and we still think the two new mazes are two of the very best here. But you know, the scare zones have been brilliant as well.
Yeah.
You know, we've been walking through a few of those.
All the actors and actresses have been really good, haven't they?
Yeah, and there's loads of them. Like they're everywhere.
Yeah.
And the variety as well. The amount of variety is spectacular.
Yeah.
You know, it's not same old. You know, everyone, they're all walking around in the same costume. I think almost all of them are unique, aren't they?
Yeah, well, I like that they have different features here as well. So if you are a bit scared, you can buy a scaredy cat necklace, and it lights up purple with a little cat on it. I thought that was quite cool.
Yeah, it is a good idea because you've got the option then to tone it down a little bit.
Yeah.
But similarly, you can also get one of these lanterns, and yeah, the lantern basically adds interactions. There's places around the park you can interact with it, and it causes things to happen. And also in the mazes, we found even if we couldn't tell all the time what was happening in the maze that was different because of the lantern, the actors did seem to pay special attention to us because of it. So even if it's not reliable, and I'm not saying it isn't, but even if it isn't, it is still worth having, we would say, because it does seem to make them treat you a little bit differently.
Yeah.
They know that it's like the opposite to the scaredy cat. They know that you're into it and you want to get the scares, so they go out of their way. And I think that really enhanced our experience as well, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's been a really good day.
Yeah, fantastic evening here at Knott's Scary Farm. One of the best Halloween events I think we've ever done.
Yeah, especially at a theme park.
Absolutely. Well, we hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It means an awful lot to us and really helps out the channel. If you have any questions or comments about Knott's Scary Farm, put those in the comments below and we'll answer those as soon as we can.
Yep.
And until next time, we hope you get out and explore amusement parks and more. See you next time.